Sviyazhsk, located in the Republic of Tatarstan, is a fascinating destination that offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Situated on an island in the Volga River, Sviyazhsk boasts a picturesque landscape that captivates visitors from all over. The landscape of Sviyazhsk is truly captivating, surrounded by lush greenery and serene waters. From drone footage, one can capture stunning aerial views of the island, showcasing its beauty from above. For those seeking to immerse themselves in history and culture, Sviyazhsk offers a range of attractions and activities. Visitors can explore the island's museums to learn about its fascinating heritage or take leisurely walks along its charming streets lined with traditional wooden houses. Overall, Sviyazhsk offers a unique blend of natural beauty and historical charm that makes it an unforgettable destination for travelers seeking an off-the-beaten-path experience in Tatarstan.